Model data in Power BI. What is BI? That is business intelligence. This is artificial intelligence, that is AI, and DA is data analytics, that is 100. So you're going to use these visual tools to create machine learning models with Azure Machine Learning. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shalini, lecturer, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Today I am here to introduce the syllabus of Artificial Intelligence prescribed by University of Mysuru for 3rd SEM B.Ca. So let us see what is there in today's session. So we'll be understanding what are you going to understand, what are you going to learn in AI 900 plus DA 100. So this is artificial intelligence, that is AI, and DA is data analytics, that is 100. So these are the two parts you're going to study artificial intelligence in. So this is the basic concepts you're going to learn in artificial intelligence. So let us see what is there in AI. So we'll be learning about Azure AI fundamentals. So these are the basic concepts, as I told you, in artificial intelligence, that is Azure. Based on Azure, you are going to understand all these concepts. So we'll be just introducing you to AI on Azure, that is how it works. What is Azure? What is artificial intelligence on Azure? So all these things you are going to understand. So you're going to use these visual tools to create machine learning models with Azure Machine Learning. So these you are going to learn theoretically as well as you are going to learn it practically. Practically you will be doing it here, whereas theoretically you will be explained in this session. You're going to explore computer vision on Microsoft Azure. So what is computer vision? Based on Microsoft Azure. So that is also going to be taught here in this module. Then what is natural language processing? So this also you will be understanding. So basically AI works on natural language processing. So you're going to understand the concepts of natural language processing also. Then we'll be understanding this conversational AI. So what is conversational AI? That is, how do you use your conversation in order to stimulate with artificial intelligence? So these are the things you're going to understand. Tune model hyperparameter. So these are the concepts you're going to understand. So what is parameter? What is a hyperparameter? Then how do you model these hyperparameters? So all these things you're going to understand as a theoretical concept in this session. Then you will also understand what is neural network regression. So these are also you are going to understand. So that was the part when it comes to AI. Okay, so that is Azure AI fundamentals. If we go to this data analyst associate, so you will get started with what is data analytics, that is Microsoft Data Analytics. Then we'll also prepare data for analysis. How do you prepare data for analysis? That you are going to understand. Then model data in Power BI. What is BI? That is business intelligence. So what is Power BI? That also you are going to understand, and how to model this data in Power BI. So visualize data in Power BI. So how do you visualize this data? When you model it, how to visualize it? How do you visualize it? You're going to understand. Then how do you analyze this data? Data analysis in Power BI. So these are the things you're going to understand as one part. So let me just tell you, you will not be taught all these subheadings only, but you're just going to learn it as concepts. We are also understanding what is a workspace and data sheet when it comes to Power BI. So we are going to understand the difference between workspace, data sheet, and also what is my workspace, what are the different categories under these. So those also we are going to understand. Then what are the key influencers in visualization? So that also will be teaching you. Then smart narratives tutorial. So how do you narrate something in a smart way? So these are the things you're going to understand. So this was actually just an introduction of the syllabus for you. Okay, so in the next session, we are going to start with the Azure AI fundamentals. So thank you for your time. Please wait for the next sessions to understand the basic concepts. So see you soon. Thank you so much.